Hello everyone, in this video we see how to overcome the junk file in the computer system. So first of all, by using Google Chrome we see this process. Then first of all you have to go here and click there and click on setting button and go to virus and threat protection and here quick scan. And your file is starting scanning, and click on minimize while your computer system is scanning. The virus and protection system is scanning your system, and go to search and run and click on run. And after clicking on run, you have to type here temp and enter. Then we see that your computer system is very much see here. This is all junk in my computer system. Then press Ctrl A and Shift plus delete and enter, and click on skip, again skip, and it's clean your all junk file. And again you have to go and go to run and type here clean manager, clean manager, CLEANMGR, and enter, then OK. It will process cleaning the disk. It may take a few minutes to complete this process, so wait while it's completing its process. After some few minutes, it automatically clean your Windows. So here we have to check all these boxes and then here written total amount of disk space you gain is 4.34 GB. Click on OK. Are you sure want to permanently delete this file? Delete file, yes. And it may take some minute to process this, so you have to wait while it's completing the process. It's very easy process, so don't worry. It definitely gives your computer free from the junk file. So you have to wait here while it's completing the process. It's take a few minutes for cleaning the drive, so wait. Then again go to run and click here percentage temp, again percentage, and enter. It shows all the junk file in my computer system that I have to delete permanently. So for deleting permanently I have to press Ctrl A then it's going to select all and shift delete and enter. It may take a minute to complete this process deleting, because the file size is very and big large size, so wait while it's completing. Again keep here, skip and delete all. So 99% completed. Here you can see deleting. It's completing, so you have to wait while it is deleting, because some particular files are large but not deleting. So it's completed, and you go on Google Chrome, and after going on Google Chrome it's open, then click on three icon. After going setting, you have to see here advanced. Click here, and after going on advanced you see here reset and clean up. Click here and clean up computer here, and find harmful software. Chrome can find harmful software on your computer and remove it, and click here find, and it may take a minute or few minutes to checking for a harmful software containing in your computer system. So you have to wait while it checking the harmful software. So it is processing. It depends upon your computer system how much amount of harmful software are contained in your system drive. So you have to wait here